welcome back. So today is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to head to Krabi town, so there's going to be a lot of travelling in this one. So we're going to go to Krabi town, then from there we're going to go to Klong, Muang, something like that. I'll put a little pop up. Basically it's a beach that we did some research into last night, very late last night, because there was actually no power for the whole day and the night prior. Obviously the cameras were then all out of charge, which is typical, so I couldn't record anything yesterday, but today, like I say, we're going to be doing a lot of travelling. So we're going to go from here 2 hours to Krabi town, get some transport, and there's another, I think, half hour to the beach. So yeah, I'm going to go back now, grab some breakfast, and then get going. So we just arrived here at Krabi bus terminal, so we're going to go find a tuk-tuk or taxi to take us to the next place.
So as you've seen, we've travelled from Koh to Krabi, and it took about 2.5 to 3 hours. So the plan was to check in the hotel and then head straight to the beach.
So we checked into the hotel, and that's where the last 4 hours kind of disappeared. We checked in and straight away there were bed bugs.
Everything else was fine, just we peeled the duvet over and...
Yeah, it wasn't great. There was quite a few. Granted to them, they moved our room.
Again, fine, however, bed bugs.
Yeah, bed bugs. So the room itself was really nice. And the staff there were really friendly as well, so it's a credit to the staff there. They were really, really nice.
I'm not going to mention the hotel's name, there's no need.
Yeah.
They were lovely.
Basically during low season you'll find this a lot, depending on the hotel you stay in. If you stay in budget hotels or hostels or things like that, you will probably end up finding it at some point. Basically they don't pay cleaners to come in and clean the rooms when there's actually no one staying there. So for instance, the whole strip here is just empty. There's just no one around.
To be fair, it does make sense. They've got to save money when they're not making money.
Yeah, it does make sense. So you kind of feel for them at the same time, and it is just one of those things. But I'm sure you can agree, having bed bugs and waking up to 1 million bites in your back is
not something
not something you want to be dealing with like at all. Especially we were actually going to stay there for 2 nights.
So they booked us into a new hotel, which we weren't really expecting. We were just expecting to perhaps get that refunded and then find somewhere else. However, they've paid the difference to this new hotel, which seems really nice, and no bed bugs either.
Yeah, no bed bugs in this one, so that's perfect.
And she even paid for us to get a transfer from there to here as well, which was really nice.
Yeah, so credit to them. They have sorted the problem, and they kind of went above and beyond, as it were, and they paid more money for us to stay here.
Took a lot longer than we were hoping for.
Unfortunately, that is the end of the vlog today. Because we didn't go anywhere, we didn't actually film anything, so we have no content to share. But tomorrow we will be up and running.
Yep. Exploring the new area. Looks really nice from what we've seen.
Yeah, from what we've briefly seen on a drive to this hotel, it looks really nice. So yeah, can't wait to see you in the next one.